guys, it's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm just going to share my eyebrow routine. I usually do my eyebrows off the camera because it's kind of difficult to do it, like if you're recording a video or something. I can't even do it with somebody watching me. Like if I'm doing my makeup and somebody's in the bathroom like staring at me, I can't even focus and do my eyebrows. So it's just like you really just have to focus when you do your brows because it's easy. Like it's so easy to mess them up. So bear with me during this video because I know I'm gonna be recording, so it may be like a mind thing and I may be messing up, but yeah, just act like you don't see it. But I really believe my routine is like very straightforward. It's easy to find the products I have. They're very affordable. And I wouldn't say my eyebrow routine is like very advanced. I would definitely say it's beginner friendly, okay? So if you just now starting to want to do your brows and you don't know exactly what to do, I'm just gonna go through what I do. I'm gonna get into the products I use and then I'm just gonna get started. So before I get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm bare today. My face is breaking out. So I'm gonna start off by putting some, I'm gonna clean my face first. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. Well, not do my makeup, I'm gonna do my brows. Well, am I gonna do my makeup? I don't think I'm gonna do a full face. I'm gonna do my brows and probably just put some foundation on and then I'm gonna be done. Okay, so let's get into the video right now. One of the first things I go in and do with my brows is brush them, and then after that I use my LA Colors eyeliner brow pencil. So you can use it for eyeliner or a brow pencil. I don't use it as an eyeliner, but I get it in the color dark brown. I get this from Family Dollar, so it's very, very cheap. I think it's $1. But I don't know if you can find it at Dollar Tree or not yet, but if you go to Dollar Tree and you see they have it, let your girl know, because I will start going to Dollar Tree to get it sometimes too, because Family Dollar, they don't be having it all of the time. So I'm gonna open it up. When you first open it, the pencil is already sharpened, so you can really just go ahead and go in and start doing your brows, okay? This is not really gonna be a tutorial. It's just really me showing you how I do my brows. I'm not gonna do step by step because like I said, I am not a professional with doing brows, okay? So why would he come and want to work on something when I'm doing my video? Anywho, let me get started. Once again, it's the LA Colors eyeliner eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. And here it is. My brows are very, very bushy because they used to be very, very thick. And then I just started getting them waxed like every other week. And yeah, I was getting them waxed every other week. And now they're just very, very, I wouldn't say they're very thin, but not as thick as they used to be. They used to be very, very thick. Just the constant waxing just really made them thin. So I stopped getting waxed. So now I just fill them in and I just let them be free. So if you're wondering why my brows just look crazy, I'm just letting them do their own thing right now because I refuse to ever get them waxed again. I probably will never get them waxed again, so yeah. my left brow, I think from the waxing, it's just like a different shape than the other one. So it's like very, very difficult for me to kind of get it like I want it. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my dip brow. This is in the color dark brown. What I can say, a little goes a long way, so you really don't have to use a lot of this. And when I run out of this, I'm gonna go back and get another kind. I'm gonna get a different color. I'm gonna do the ebony next time because I just feel like the dark brown is a little too dark. But I was thinking in my head, dark brown, just like I got the dark brown pencils, but I should have got a lighter color of this. So I'm gonna go in with this brush and go into it. So what have y'all really been doing during this quarantine and chill? Stay at home, cook at home, don't eat out. Even though I still been eating out. But like when I eat out, I go to Juicy Crab or Subway. Those like my two favorite places. I actually have some Subway in the kitchen. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my concealer that I use. I use the LA Pro concealer color Creamy Beige. So this is what it looks like. It comes from the beauty supply store. Most people use the same concealer, so if you're not familiar with it, I'm surprised. Just put a little bit on my hand and then go in with a guys so much for checking in and watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Okay. And yeah, these brows are done. I'm just around the house, so yeah. But this is my simple little brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.